you're in Africa right now, especially Nigeria, then you already know the truth. AI tools are getting expensive. Subscriptions in dollars, limits everywhere, and tools that used to be free are no longer free. But here's the key thing you need to understand. You don't actually need paid AI tools to start making money with AI. There are still powerful free AI tools that can generate video, images, voiceovers, and full content without draining your pocket. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use them, step by step. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm Financial Emmy, and all I do here is make research of simple and legit ways to make money with AI, free AI tools, and hidden websites most people don't talk about. If you're not still making money yet this 2026, this channel is for you. Hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to see when I drop updates. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last one is my personal favorite, and most people are still sleeping on it. Let's get straight into it.
First on the list is Meta AI. You can access it through their official website or download the app.
Now, here's why this tool is powerful. Meta AI allows you to generate short videos, images, and content completely free. And one powerful feature most people don't know is this. You can generate short AI videos up to 5 seconds. Now, listen carefully, because this is where people miss it. Even though it's just 5 seconds per video, you can generate multiple clips and combine them together to create a full video. Here's how to use it properly. Step 1, go to the Meta AI website or open the app. Step 2, choose video generation. Step 3, type a prompt like, "A man working on laptop making money online." And it will generate a short video clip instantly. Now, the important part. There are no heavy restrictions for beginners. And since it's free, you can keep generating multiple short clips, then combine them using editing apps like CapCut. The key advantage here is you're turning small clips into full content without paying anything.
Next, Magic Hour AI. Go to magichour.ai. This tool is mainly focused on AI video creation, especially for short-form content. What makes it special is it can transform images into videos, animate faces, and create cinematic effects automatically. Lots of things you can do for free on it, like video face swap, image to video, lip sync video, talking photo, text to video, video animation, subtitles generation, extend your video, AI UGC ads, which is video advert. List them. This AI is insane, like it contains everything you need inside AI. Here's how you use it. You can use text to video or upload an image and input a prompt of what you want the image to do or choose a template. Add motion or animation and your video is ready. Now, about limits. Magic Hour AI usually works on a credit system. Free users get 100 daily credits, so it's not exactly unlimited, but if you're strategic, you can still produce content consistently. The key point here is use it for high-quality short videos, not bulk content.
Third, Qwen AI. Visit qwen.ai. This one is very powerful, especially for content creation. Qwen AI helps you generate video scripts, hooks, captions, even storytelling content. Here's how you use it. Type something like, "Create a viral AI money video script," and it will generate a full script instantly. Now, listen carefully. Qwen AI is mostly free to use and doesn't heavily restrict daily usage like many tools. So this is where you generate bulk ideas and scripts without worrying about limits. Then you take those scripts and move to video tools on the same website. That's the strategy. You can create a full content on this website. Next, YouTube AI. A lot of people are sleeping on this because they think YouTube is just for uploading videos. But YouTube has built-in AI features you can use for free. For example, video generation, video motion effect, AI dancing video generation, auto captions, auto translations, title and description suggestions, and even AI-assisted editing in some region. Here's how you use it. Go to your YouTube, click on the plus sign, and look at your right corner at the top. Click on the daydream light and you're there. Input your prompt and let YouTube generate videos and captions automatically. Use the suggestions to optimize your title and description. Now, the key advantage, it's completely free, and there are no daily limits for these features. So instead of paying for external tools, use what YouTube already gives you. Now, last but not least, Arena AI. This is my favorite.
because it gives you access to multiple AI models like Grok, Cadence, Google Veo 3.1, Runway, and many more in one place. Instead of paying for different tools, you can test and use different AI systems together. You can generate scripts, ideas, videos even, with perfect lip sync, answers, and even compare outputs from different AI models. Here's how you use it. Go to the platform, choose a model, enter your prompt, and generate content. Now, about limits. Most features are free, but depending on usage, there might be light restrictions. But compared to paid tools, this is a huge advantage. The key point here? You are not limited to one AI. You can explore multiple options. Try this out and see what works best for you. Now, here's what you should do next. Click on the subscribe button right now for more free AI tools and how to use them. Like this video and comment AI below. I'll personally send you all the links to these tools and show you exactly how to start making money with them. See you in the next video.